Hi guys, it's May. Currently in sunny Florida. I just basically wanted to make this video and tell you guys how we managed to upgrade our 3-park Explorer Pass to Universal Studios to a 2-park seasonal annual pass. We got, this chair. We originally bought our 3-park tickets off of Attraction World. 2 tickets cost us roughly £650. I don't know what it was in dollars, but that was for 2 tickets, £650. We bought them with the intention of wanting to upgrade. We did it last year, and I think we paid about $150 each, which at the time was great. So we were like, oh, we only had to pay like £100 more and we get to something in the sea over there, in the lake. Anyway, we're like, oh, and $100 extra each and we get to go a year. Like, that is amazing. We originally went to the guest services and the lady at the guest services said, oh no, go to the ticket desk, there's a shorter queue. So we did that. She said, we can only upgrade you to the preferred annual pass. So there is 4 annual pass types. You can get the seasonal, power, preferred, and premier. I don't know if that's the right order. I know the seasonal's the cheapest and you basically get like no other benefits apart from just being able to go to the park throughout the year. You don't get any like discount and there's quite a few blackout dates and you also don't get parking, but none of that bothers us. So we said, oh, can we not have a look at the seasonal pass? And she said, oh no, we don't do that here. We can only do the preferred because there's no blackout dates. And we're like, but we don't mind blackout dates. We just plan our trips around that. And she said, no, you have to go to guest services. We went back to guest services. I'll show you now.
Hello, how are you? You okay?
Good. Hi. Dee, how can I help you? So you want to go from 3-park Explorer to a 2-park annual pass?
Potentially, well, depending on the prices, yeah.
Seasonal, it's going to have the most blackout dates.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine with you guys?
We sort of know the blackout dates, we tend to plan our trips around them, so.
So yeah, we can do the 2-park.
Okay.
Yeah, and that works out really great for you guys because it looks like you'll get like $5.
What's that, sorry?
It'll be about $5 per pass.
An extra, oh right, okay.
That's amazing.
And for the next level up?
$45.
Is
For
that
the power.
For the power?
Yeah.
And is that, you get 10% discount in the parks with the power?
That's the preferred.
And how much is that one?
$200.
Okay, so we won't do that one.
No. So what are the benefits between the seasonal and the...
It's all going to come down to the blackout date, so let me look.
Oh, okay. I mean, if that's not an issue for us either, is it?
No. There's no like discounts or anything, we'll just do the $5.
Yeah.
So you got more bang for your buck.
Yeah,
Yes,
absolutely.
definitely.
All right, so you guys are here together.
Perfect.
Thank you so much for your help.
Thanks, have a good
Thank
day.
you, bye. So I had seen somewhere that if you've bought a 3-park Explorer Pass, you can't then upgrade or like downgrade to a 2-park. You can, as long as you haven't activated the card. So as soon as you get to the park, don't scan your tickets, because just go straight to guest services and ask to upgrade, because as soon as you like actually use that park ticket, it then becomes 3-park ticket. So you can only then upgrade to a 3-park, if that makes sense. So as you saw, they were like, yeah, that's fine, we can do the 2-park. We were expecting it to be like $100 for the both of us, or $100 each to upgrade. We actually got refunded $10. Refunded $10. Like, make that make sense. So we paid £650 for 2 3-park Explorer ticket for 14 days. But we upgraded to an annual pass so we can go at any time throughout the year apart from the blockout dates, and they gave us £10 back. That to me is crazy. But yeah, so guys, that is how we managed to be given $10 to upgrade to an annual pass. Highly recommend doing that if you plan on coming back. So those clips obviously came from our newest vlog series. Stay tuned for that. So yeah, I will catch you guys on the next one. See ya.